Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an Apple ID, a signed-in device, and iCloud enabled. Open Settings or System Preferences and turn Mail on under iCloud. Next, open the Mail app or go to iCloud. com/mail and sign in with your Apple ID, enter password and two-factor code if prompted. Once done, make sure Mail Sync is allowed in device sync settings so folders and messages start to appear. This gets your inbox connected. Next, we configure organization and sending options. Now you refine how iCloud Mail behaves. In Mail settings, set your signature, choose the default sending account, and pick Compose preferences like format and threading. Then create folders and rules to auto-sort messages. Add VIPs for priority alerts so important senders stand out. If you need a different from address, set up an alias or configure a custom domain, follow the prompts and verify ownership. Once done, sync across devices and test by sending a message to confirm outgoing and folder rules. To finish, send test messages to and from your iCloud address and confirm they appear on all devices. Make sure attachments download and folders update. If Mail stalls, check iCloud storage in settings. Mail needs available space. Delete large attachments or upgrade storage if necessary. If sync still fails, sign out of iCloud, restart the device, then sign back in to force a fresh sync. And remember, two-factor prompts can block login. Verify codes on trusted devices when asked so you don't get locked out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.